Let the wild run free.
It's actually Thanksgiving Day today, so happy Thanksgiving by the time you see this. It'll be late by then. But I'm going to pop a flat around here with the Avata 2. This is just home on the ranch. I'm not going to give the exact location where it's at, but it's out in the sand hills of Nebraska. Pretty desolate right now, kind of dry. It's been a pretty dry, slow start to the winter, which is good because I don't like too much wintry weather, but has a beauty of its own, and there's no wind right now. So I'm just going to rip around here, and you know, I've been to a lot of places here in the United States and a couple places in the world, but it's something about coming back home. I think most people can relate to this. Just that's warmth for the soul, you know, coming back to your roots where you grew up at. So anyway, let's rip around the Sandhill Ranch here a little bit, shall we? Got the perfect customized seat right here. Protein tub bucket for the cattle. I have an ND16 filter on here. So I'm going to take ISO down to 100, shutter speed 1/120. White balance I'm going to take back up to 5500 Kelvin, because last time I was doing this stuff during Tiny Town Railroad there, that's the last video that I made. I had it down because it was a cloudier day that day, so I had the white balance down. And I want to make my, let's see, I want to make it 4K 60 FPS. I had it at 100 FPS, but do 60 FPS. Okay. There we are. Let's fly around here a little bit. There's an old walnut tree out here. It's kind of a sentimental little spot over there. There's no leaves on it right now, obviously, but it's pretty in the summertime. And as soon as I get it up in the air, the wind comes up a little bit. 37-degree camera angle. Let's up that a little bit, 38 degrees. You gotta watch out, there's a power line out here. Keep her kind of low to the ground here. Go say hi to the walnut tree and fly around these sand hills.
Back to the bonfire, taking the boys on a ride. I ain't coming back tonight. 'Cause I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills, flying that LPV, seeking my thrills. I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills, flying that FPV, seeking my thrills. Backwood, blue sky with the birds in the trees. Yeah, I know I'm wild, but you can't blame me. I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills, flying that FPV, seeking my thrills. Backwood, blue sky with the birds in the trees. Yeah, I know I'm wild, but you can't blame me. Yeah, I'm flying so high, I'm in heaven. Better take a picture if you see me, I'm never coming down. See me in the forest, my hand on the handle, backpack full of wood and a gun on my hip. Headed back to the bonfire, take the boys on a ride. I ain't coming back tonight. 'Cause I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills, flying that FPV, seeking my thrills. I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills, flying that FPV, seeking my thrills. Backwood, blue sky with the birds in the trees. Yeah, I know I'm wild, but you can't blame me. I'm a hillbilly ripping my home hills.
Alright, let me take the camera angle down to like 20s. We'll do a little dancing around the trees and call it good for this beautiful morning rip out here. Yeah, man, growing up out here has definitely put me in a different spot in life than it did most of the world who grew up in a city. Gave me the peaceful feeling of being alone. We've raised cattle out here, still continuing to do so to this day. My brother is back here running the ranch and my dad. Kind of a long story short, just not the time and place for me to be out here running it full time right now, but because I'm more of an adventurer. But I love to come home and help them out now and then. So we'll see what the future holds. All right, got 39% on the battery. My warning that the throttle output will be lower. That was a pretty good rip in a short amount of time. So we'll go check out the chickens here in a second. All right. Come on in, Brody. Who laid the egg? Did you lay the egg? Which of you fine ladies laid the egg? Was it you?